That is the key fob right there. First thing we have to do is get the physical key out. So pull up there and then slide the key out. Now what we do need to get is a flathead screwdriver to put it right over there and pry the key fob open. This screwdriver has to have a thin edge because it has to go right over there and then just twist it. Twist it once over there, then again on the other side, then one more time in the center there, and then just follow right along the edge and put it in and twist it, and that's it. Now the key fob should just come open right there. That is the battery. The way to get it out is get a flathead screwdriver and put it right where I'm putting, because that's the only way you'll be able to get the battery out, or else you'll be struggling with it for a good 2-3 minutes. So just get the battery out. The battery size is right there on it, CR2032. CR2032. The positive sign is marked with the plus sign. Get the new battery and put it with the positive sign facing downwards and position it the way I'm showing. Get it in place and push it down. Now let's just get the other end and align these two parts together and then just press them together. Press it, it's going to clip. Alright, now put the physical key back in and let's go outside and try this out. This is working and this is working as well. That's pretty much it. Hope you found it useful.